What's going on YouTube? PK, Porsche Scale, PK Networks, man. So I'm over here about to go to the storage unit and get rid of some of this shit. I mean, it's a lot of stuff, but you know, it's just I'm donating it and selling some stuff. So, you know, hey, y'all can't see all that. There you go, access granted. But yeah, I'm in the U-Haul truck, man. You can see I just rented that. We going in. Y'all remember to like and subscribe, man. I told y'all I'm gonna be coming with this content, man. Yeah, I got a lot of little series coming out, you know, as of right now. Um, Hold up, I gotta pull up because my seatbelt thing keep binging. But my other new series coming out, it's my gaming channel, GangstaVille. My handle, my gamer tag is called Percent Gamesta. So y'all look out for that. Um, Here we go, right here. Pull up about right there. That's fine. Alright. Got my key. Y'all already know what that is. Got that there. Alright, cool. So we're gonna go up in here real quick. Y'all can't see that now. I told y'all, man. Yeah, it got some stuff in there, so I'm gonna give y'all a quick little view, but I'm gonna get rid of it all, and then, you know, yeah. But I'm just gonna show y'all a quick little view of some of the stuff I got up in here. Y'all remember this? Y'all go back to my channel. Y'all can see this when I was at some other companies. You see the name on that thing right there. All my gear when I was working for them. You know, shit in plastics, even down to my pants. Look, I'll grab my pants for you guys. Look, you see my name all the way down to my pants. But yeah, I got like kites and shit up in here, gangs, all kinds of, you know, racing gear for my motorcycles. These are just some other things up in here. A couple of books. Y'all remember this? My big motherfucking heat. You know what I'm saying? And then they have like pool stick, lamps and shit. But yeah, let's see if we can get off in here real quick. So I can actually get a gauge. Okay, we got some freaking rims up in here. Look, shoes and shit. Look, that ain't even been worn. Look, still got the fucking tag on them. Look, hey, what I told you, Fat Joe. Look, them brand new out the storage, bro. Look, y'all see that? That thing ain't even been busted open yet. I still got the tag on there floating. But yeah, got some other shit up in here. Look, hey, these still in, you know what I'm saying? They got the tag on it. Look, y'all see it? Got the tag on there. Look, brand new. Well, I told you, Fat Joe, look. Yeah. Brand new soles. I licked them off the joint. But yeah, we got things up in here. What are these? I think these are like 24s. Yeah, these are some 24s. Y'all keep a lookout. I'm gonna show you some of these rims I got in here, some foes. But yeah, let me see if I can get back out of here. But yeah. So yeah, I'm just trying to bring y'all this, man. So we'll go ahead and smoke real quick. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do this storage, and I'm gonna show you these 24s later. A couple of my rims that I got up in here. Y'all stay tuned for that. Stay on the lookout for that. But yeah, I'll just be coming with this content, man. I don't know what happened to my lighter. I was about to smoke with y'all, but my motherfucking lighter gone. I might have dropped it in there in the storage unit because I don't feel it. But yeah, man, YouTube, I really appreciate y'all, man, for coming out with me and checking this out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into this, man. I got this other machine in there from one of my carpet cleaning businesses. It's one of them buffers. I'm about to be riding it like, you know, a horse, you know what I'm saying? Wah! You know what I'm saying? Like 8 seconds. Y'all remember that where you ride around, spin around, motherfucker dangerous though, but I'm gonna see if I can get y'all footage of that. But I don't got that much time with this stuff. I gotta get on it, so. Here, tap that. Yeah, I'll tap that. But nah, y'all remember to like and subscribe, man. PK, Porsche Cab, PK Networks, man.